everybody, welcome back to the Canadian Traveler. As you can see, I am traveling back at work in the truck, and just want to share with you a little bit, my favorite time of day to be driving out on the highway. And it's early, well, it's not too early, but it's early enough. It's 7:30 in the morning, and it's still dark outside here in northern Canada. At 7:30 in the morning in the winter, it's still on the dark side. Now, come summer, it'll be daylight at about 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 or 4, 3:30 maybe. But yeah, this is just one of my favorite times to drive because it's really peaceful out. The day is fresh. Speaking of fresh, it's minus 24 degrees Celsius. But it's nice. There's not a lot of traffic. In fact, there's nobody behind me. There's nobody in front of me. It's just a nice time to quietly drive and reflect and enjoy the day. The sun is just trying to come up. It'll be up maybe in another hour, but I can start to see the light of the day starting to show up. I enjoy early mornings, not just driving, but even when we're traveling, when we're in the Philippines, in the morning, the day is fresh. You hear the birds chirping, and you hear lots of noise. You hear the dogs barking, you hear different things going on, but the day is still fresh. The day is new, and just like here, the day is full of possibilities, endless possibilities. You don't know how the day is going to go, and hopefully it's going to be a great day. And I certainly hope that for all of you, that you're having a great day, and that every day that the sun comes up is a new day, a new start. Boy, that's sounding a little bit deep, isn't it? Wasn't really where I was planning to go. But yeah, it's just a nice time of day. It's just, kind of like in the evening when the sun sets and everything's peaceful. And it's similar, but I still like early morning the best. I like to see it when it's dark out, and then watch the light come, and then people start waking up and coming out. It's a nice thing. And just like that, the sun is up. It's minus 24 outside. It's cold. Still not a lot of traffic. Maybe it's too cold for people to be driving today. Maybe I'm just the crazy one. But yeah, the sun's finally peaked up. It's 8:42 in the morning. It's like I say, it's winter time. The sunlight makes it a much shorter day, a lot more darkness. Thank you for watching. I enjoyed making this video for you. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I welcome you to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell. That way you get updates whenever there's a new video out. And if you wait until the very end, there's more videos that you can click on and check out and enjoy. Thanks for watching, everybody.